Hello and welcome back to my videos about PHP. In this video I will show and explain about variables. This video is the basic about variables in PHP, so let's begin so you don't just sitting here and watching me talking about nothing. So we have the variable, you have this one from the previous videos. We have var1, we can say hello world. Then we have var2 is double quotes with hello world, just one world, and then we can combine those to say if you use double quotes you can just say var1 and then var2 and then close the one. So let's just say hello world, my name is Paris, and we can go for the browser and you can see hello world, my name is Paris. If you use this, I can just going up for 100 so it's easier for you to watch. We can go back and say if we have a lot of things here, it will be very a mess to know. So I prefer to just say single pling, and then I use var1 and then single pling comma and then var2. The first one here with the double plinks is easier to type because out of the box it's just working. But in this case, it's easier for the developer to read what actually happened. So it's up to you what you want to do. It's nothing wrong with the both of those. It's just what you and your team decide to work on and how it's working. In PHP, you can name your variables in different ways, but this one is not allowed. PHP can't have a number. You cannot start with the number, so I will comment this out. PHP can start with the underscore, so you can use this and say for var. And then we have you can have a var 5, and you can say demo test special char. This is allowed, but again I will not recommend this. Keep all characters in English from A to Z and the numbers on the right side. And I love when you type a variable like this, hello world, it's test var. Some people do this, hello world is test var. Nothing of those two is wrong. It's up to you and your team how you're working, but this name convention is similar to Python. So if you try to do the naming, so if you change language, you always have the same name conventions. So it's easier for you and your team to switch between different languages like JavaScript, PHP, Python, and what you want. But again, it's up to you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Nothing here it's wrong. It's just what I recommend you to do. Press the thing below on the right corner and subscribe my channel to get more videos from me. Hope you enjoy, and again, type a comments if you have questions and put it on your playlist so you can get more and share with your friends. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your subscription.